Okay, this is one of the quiz questions. It says the solution is 1, negative 3, and then it gives us the two equations, that this is the solution where they cross, 2y plus x equals negative 5, and y plus 3x equals 0. So if we take 2y plus x equals negative 5 and solve for y, 2y equals negative x minus 5. I just subtracted x from both sides, and then divided by 2, y equals negative 1/2 x minus 5/2. So our slope there, and the slope, is negative 1/2, and the y-intercept is 0, negative 5. The other one we have y plus 3x equals 0. Subtracting 3x from both sides, y equals negative 3x. Okay, now we want to graph these. Okay, so we have this graph, and I'm going to graph them. For the first one, I'm going to graph the y equals negative 3x first. So our y-intercept, let me say this, the slope is negative 3, and the y-intercept is 0, 0, because it's plus 0. It's going to be right there. Slope of negative 3 means going down 3, 1, 2, 3 over 1, or up 3 and back 1 to the left 1. So this is the line y equals negative 3x here. The other one, we have an intercept of 0, that should be negative 5/2. That's going to be right about there. Slope is negative 1/2, so that's like going down 1/2 over 1. Oh, look, it crosses there. Down 1/2 over 1. There. Or up 1/2, left 1. You could also say down 1, right 2, or up 1, left 2. There. Okay, and then that graph, hope I didn't mess up with the LiveScribe video. And this would be, let's see, the 2y plus x equals negative 5 graph. So you can see that both have a negative slope, so they're going down as you go to the right, and they cross down there at the point 1, negative 3. So I hope that explains how you would have gotten that one. I know on the test, on the quiz, it gave you multiple graphs to look at. I just graphed it and it matches up that way. So, okay. Let's go on to the next one. So for the next one, ask us which system is inconsistent. And we have to think, what is an inconsistent system? We kind of talked about that in the other video I made. But an inconsistent, I'll write this down as I say, an inconsistent system is two parallel lines, which means they have the same slope but different y-intercept. So like y equals 4x minus 3 and y equals 4x plus 3. These have the same slope, that's the coefficient of the x when you solve it for y, but they have different y-intercepts. One has the intercept of 0, negative 3, the other one 0, positive 3. So the slope for each is 4. Y-intercept for the first equation is 0, negative 3. Y-intercept for the second equation is 0, positive 3. So that's an inconsistent system. These are parallel lines. Hope that helps.